Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Hanover woman who was allegedly set on fire by her spouse last week is seeking to go overseas for medical help. This evening, more calls for assistance. Kirk Wright has the latest.
It's now a race against time to save Nicole Clark, the woman who was set ablaze last week in Great River, Hanover, allegedly by her partner.
She's badly burned. So I wouldn't say she's good. She's badly burned.
Miss Clark is stable, but her mother, Lolita Scarlett, says the doctors told her if she's to survive, she needs to get overseas medical help quickly.
And the doctor said to me, we have to get her out now to save. They're just trying to do what they're doing to save her life, but we have to get her out now because they don't have a burn unit here or so to take care of her. Yes. So the doctor is doing his best for her to leave.
Nicole's mother, with the help of the San Myrna Foundation, went to reapply for her passport, which was destroyed in the blaze in which Nicole was burnt. The passport is expected to be ready on Wednesday, but Nicole also needs blood among other things, which Stephen Josephs from the San Myrna Foundation says they're helping with.
I contact one of our partners in the United States, and which is Trinity Air Ambulance, which they are actually getting the medical parole to fly her out to the hospital in the USA. So now that tomorrow morning, we went to the passport office today, and Stephanie, Lindsay, and Miss Hunter aid us in getting the passport for tomorrow morning at 10. So we're anticipating that, then we're going to apply for the medical parole, and then we go from there.
Mr. Joseph says the San Myrna Foundation, in conjunction with other partners, have started a conversation about building a burnt unit.
We have started discussion with some partners in the United States and also KPH Hospital in trying to see how best we can design a burn unit for Jamaica. Now, we're going to need partners. We're going to need the private sector to come on board. We're going to need the government to come on board because this is a serious case because we're living in a tropical country. We're going to always have fire. There is nothing to aid patients who are burned because you know what the end results will be. So we are trying our best to aid Nicole Clark in this case.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.